Okay, so I just read that GitHub is integrating AI in a way that literally transforms how developers interact with code.
Wait, really? You're saying AI is changing the developer experience directly? That's wild.
Exactly. It's like having a smart assistant that suggests code as you type. Imagine that level of efficiency.
Oh wow, I can picture it. So it's like having a coding buddy who's always there but also super smart.
Right. And it even learns from your coding habits. How cool is that? It personalizes suggestions just for you.
So it's not just random snippets, it actually adapts to your style? That's really interesting because it could save so much time.
Absolutely. But here's where it gets really interesting. It also checks for vulnerabilities as you code.
Wait, hold on. Are you saying it can prevent security issues while you're writing code?
Yes, think of it as a code guardian that helps you catch mistakes before you even compile.
That gives me chills. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that spot issues early on.
Exactly. It's making developers' lives easier and potentially saving projects from disaster.
But how does it learn what vulnerabilities to spot? Is it trained on past projects or something?
Great question. It analyzes countless open source projects and community feedback to improve its accuracy.
So the more it's used, the smarter it gets. That's pretty amazing. It's like AI evolving in real time.
Exactly. This could streamline collaboration too. Team members can get immediate feedback.
Oh, for sure. Imagine a team where everyone is on the same page, fixing issues together in real time.
And it actually lowers the barrier to entry for new developers. They can learn from those suggestions.
That's true. It turns the coding learning curve into something more manageable. What a game changer.
Absolutely. But I wonder, could it make seasoned developers slightly complacent?
That's an interesting point. If they rely too much on AI, could they lose some coding skills?
Exactly. Maybe it's a double-edged sword. Balance is key in any tech evolution, right?
Totally. It strikes me as both a tool and a crutch, depending on how it's used.
And what about ethical considerations? We're programming the AI based on prior code, which includes mistakes.
That's a crucial aspect. If it's learning from flawed code, could it perpetuate those vulnerabilities?
Yeah, it's like programming biases into the system, and we need to be wary of that.
For sure. AI ethics are becoming essential in tech because of how much we lean on these tools.
Right? And as exciting as this all is, there's definitely a responsibility that comes with it.
Exactly. I think as developers embrace these AI tools, they also need to be cautious.
Absolutely. But let's circle back. Have you ever thought about AI in code reviews?
Oh wow, imagine AI assisting in code reviews. It could provide immediate feedback on best practices.
Right? It's like having a mentor available 24/7, helping developers improve constantly.
And that could expedite the review process, making it faster and more efficient overall.
Exactly. But it might also result in less human interaction, which could impact collaboration.
That's a great point. There's something valuable about human perspective in reviews.
Definitely. It reminds me of how important soft skills are, even in a tech-heavy world.
Totally. And this opens up a broader discussion about the role of human intuition in coding.
I wonder how that balance will look in the future. Will AI complement our intuition or overshadow it?
That's a great question. As we integrate more AI, finding that sweet spot will be crucial.
Exactly. And it all points to the need for developers not just to code, but to think critically.
Right, so we should keep learning and adapting as technology evolves. It's like a dance with AI.
Haha, yes, you get it. So how do you see this in practice? Where do we go from here?
I think encouraging a growth mindset in developers will be key. They need to embrace change.
Absolutely. If they can remain curious and adaptable, they'll thrive alongside tech advancements.
That's a hopeful way to look at it. It's like evolution in action, isn't it?
Exactly. So if we put all this together, the future of coding looks promising, but challenging too.
For sure. It's exhilarating and a little daunting, but that's what makes the journey exciting.
Absolutely. So I guess the big question is, how do we prepare ourselves for this AI-driven future?
That's a question I'm going to ponder for a while. It's all about balance and continual learning.